Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at the big boy Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Inside of the box we have the tablet itself, we have the Bluetooth S Pen. Here we have the Type-C to Type-C charging USB cable. And here we have the usual paperwork. Okay, so I've put the tablet inside of the box for the dramatic effect because I've been using this tablet for 2 or 3 days now, and I must say that this is the best tablet out now. Here we have the Bluetooth S Pen. Let's go to settings. And as we can see, the tablet started its life at Android 12 with One UI 4.1. One UI version, as you can see here, is 4.1. At the device care, we see that we have 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The tablet has Snapdragon 8 Generation 1. It comes with dual cameras here on the back and dual cameras here on the front. Worth mentioning that the tablet has a notch here at the top, and here we have the dual camera setup for the front-facing cameras. Display, and as we can see, we have a display that has 120 Hz refresh rate, and the display size is 14.6 inches. One of the best things on this tablet is this Bluetooth S Pen. This thing is as close as it can get with a real pen because the sensitivity here is great. I mean, wait, let me just open Clip Studio here and test the S Pen. And as you can see here, if I press hard on the screen, it's like a real pen, like more ink is coming out of the pen, let's say. If I press not too hard on the pen, we can see here, yeah. No. Okay, so as we can see, we have a beautiful AMOLED display. The viewing angles are great at this display. This is a big display and it's very good to watch movies, to watch Netflix, YouTube videos. So while watching the video, we can use the Bluetooth S Pen to play and pause the video, to skip to other video, or to fix the volume on the display. Whoa! I don't know if you guys can hear this through the microphone, but it has bass. Yeah, you can feel the bass coming from the speakers. This tablet has 4 speakers. Okay, so speakers are good. Okay, so in order to charge the S Pen, we need to put it in this position facing upwards to the camera. And when we put the S Pen here, we will see the percentage of the battery. Now, let me load a game here on the tablet just to test it out. Yeah, this is very nice. Whoa, let's go. Yeah, let's go. And as you guys saw for yourself, this tablet can run games very good. Let's open the camera app. We have portrait mode, we have photo. We can go from 0.5 wide angle camera, and in the photo mode we can zoom up to 8 times. In the video mode with full HD 30 frames per second, we can zoom up to 8 times. Okay, so as we can see here, the camera can record up to 4K, but only with 30 frames per second. We don't have 60 frames per second here. More. And when we hit more, we see the Pro mode, Pro video, single take, night shot, portrait video, hyperlapse, panorama, and food. We have video stabilization, grid lines. Yeah. Let's check the toggles here. We have dark mode. We have quick share, screen recorder, power saving, flashlight. We have DeX, smart view, nearby share. Yeah, Android 12 is great. I mean, it has, you can turn off the microphone access from all of your apps just by pressing one button, and you can turn it back on. Same thing for the camera access. Secure folder, S Pen actions, daily board, focus. Let's see what else. Yeah. One other thing that is that if we have another Galaxy device, we can call and text straight from the tablet. Let me check the DeX, Samsung DeX. Yeah. Basically what Samsung DeX is that we can turn our tablet into a laptop, and as you can see here, we have all of the apps here. We have all of the apps that I've installed on the tablet, but we are on DeX mode, so basically this is kind of like a laptop. This tablet also supports wireless DeX, and if you have another display, let's say you have a big screen TV and you want to share and use this tablet but looking at the TV, you can use that. It's the wireless DeX function. Let's exit out of that. We also have second screen. This is available if we have a Windows laptop And basically we can use this tablet as a secondary display for our Windows laptop. Okay, so I will try multitasking now. So as you can see, this tablet has a big display, and the big display allows you to multitask very good. I mean, you might be watching a YouTube video on one side and you might be browsing through internet on the other side of the tablet here. So yeah, this tablet is great for multitasking also. Okay, so I must say that this tablet has a lot of features and it is a great tablet. It's great for everything. I even checked this tablet with a friend of mine that is a tattoo artist, and he says that this S Pen is incredible and the AMOLED display, it's great. The only competitor to this is the iPad Pro, and the only thing that I don't like on this tablet is the fact that it doesn't have always on display. Also doesn't have NFC, but I don't use NFC. But the main thing that I don't like on this tablet, and this is the only thing that I don't like, is the fact that this tablet doesn't have always on display. Now to end the video, this is, as I said, the best tablet ever. I highly recommend this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.